In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone Webtrader. This is Pepperstone's browser-based trading platform, so you can access your account, analyze markets, and place trades without installing MT4, MT5, or CTrader. It works right in your web browser and supports Forex, indices, commodities, crypto, and other CFDs. You'll need a registered Pepperstone account to access Webtrader, and if you're new, consider starting with a demo account so you can practice risk-free. To get started, open your browser and head to pepperstone.com. At the top right, choose Login or click Webtrader. Sign in to the client area with your credentials, select the trading account you want to use, live or demo, and then launch Webtrader from your account tile. It opens in a new browser tab and loads your trading workspace in a few seconds. Once inside, you'll see a clean, intuitive layout designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Your watch list shows a list of tradable instruments so you can quickly find symbols you follow. The main chart area displays live price action for the selected market. On the side or bottom, you'll have the order panel for placing trades, the positions and orders section for monitoring what's open and what's pending, and your account information, including balance, equity, and margin details. Keep an eye on these figures as they help you manage risk and avoid margin calls. When you're ready to place a trade, you have two straightforward methods. For a standard order, select the instrument from your watch list or directly from its chart. Open the new order window and choose your order type, mark it for immediate execution, or limit and stop for pending orders at specific prices. Set your lot size and add a stop loss and take profit if you want to define your risk and target in advance. Review everything, then send the order. Remember, prices can move quickly, so always consider your risk per trade. If you prefer speed, enable one-click trading within Webtrader. Then use the buy or sell buttons at the top of the chart to execute instantly at the current market price. This is fast and convenient, but it only places market orders, so use it carefully. Practicing on a demo first is a smart move. For analysis, Webtrader includes live charts, multiple timeframes, popular technical indicators like moving averages and RSI, and drawing tools for marking levels and trends. Use these tools to plan your entries and exits logically. To manage open positions, head to the Positions panel. You can adjust your stop loss and take profit after the trade is open, and you can close positions either partially or fully. Most of what you do in MT4 or MT5 is available here, right in your browser. That's it. Log in, navigate the workspace, analyze, place trades, and manage them confidently in Pepperstone Webtrader.